Guys, good morning. It's like 6:15 right now. I woke up like a half hour ago. I have not been like on track, waking up early, like on my grind, how I'd want to be. So I figured I'd just take you guys with me trying to get back on track. I figured I'd make this more of like an entrepreneurship type of vlog rather than fitness because I have a lot of things to do for my business today. If you guys didn't know, I own an e-commerce women's clothing business. It's called Blink Basics. I'll link it below. But I'm basically going to show you guys like a day in the life of a college student slash entrepreneur. It's summer, so I don't have any classes right now, but I still live in my college, so I might like go to the library and do some work. Now, why do I have to do that? I took photos yesterday for this new collection, so I have to edit those pictures, plan out my content for Instagram, upload products to Shopify and weigh them out. Did I say edit the reel? Okay, I'm like half asleep right now, but yeah, you guys will see. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Yeah, I'm just about to go to the gym. I might record my workout. We'll see how it goes. So I'll see you guys after the gym.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Okay,
ignore my face. I just got out of the shower. But I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I literally just slept. I got home from the gym and I took a fat ass nap. I went to sleep at like 12, I think, and it's already 3 o'clock. So yeah, I need to like get some work done. So I'm about to go to campus and just sit outside. It's a really nice day out. And I'm just gonna get ready and like do my makeup a little bit first.
Tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking now.
Okay, so I'm just about to show you guys quickly what I pack when I go somewhere to work. The one thing, well, there's a lot of other things, but one thing that I love about working for myself, that you can work from anywhere. I used to hate when I like had a job and I had to be inside all summer. So I just love how I can literally just like go to campus, sit outside, even like be at the beach or something and just get some work done. Obviously, there's a lot of times where I have to be inside like shooting content or something like that. But overall, like if I have to just edit pictures, like update my website, I can do all that from somewhere else. So I just love that. But basically what I'm bringing is I'm bringing this book that I'm reading. It's called Superfans. It's really just like a business book, but it's really good. I definitely recommend it if you have a small business. I packed this sandwich for my boyfriend because he's on campus and he's hungry, so I'm about to bring him that. I have some fruit for myself, laptop, my charger, and my iPad. So yeah, I'm just about to head to campus and get some of my work done.
Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth.
This is some real life shit right here. So I left already and I was like halfway there and I realized that I don't have my little like, what's it called? Like a, shit. The little thing that like connects, what is it called? Like the little like, oh, the adapter. I can't find it anywhere, so I like can't edit my pictures if I don't find it. So I'm about to look for it. Okay, I found it. It was literally like in the bottom, buried in one of my drawers. But I'm about to walk back. I'm like sweating right now.
I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away.
Chef B made the sandwich.
What can I do?
What can't she do?
Edit all of these pictures right now. So what I like to do is I like to take my product photos on my camera, which is what I'm about to upload to my computer right now. And then I'll pick the good ones for that. And then I can sometimes turn those into Instagram content as well. But what I've been liking to do recently is just taking pictures like this and just editing them really well. It's like, I don't know if you guys know the brand Meshki, but they do a really good job of this. So I've been taking inspiration from them. And I just like to get like the detailed stuff on my phone. And then I'll like whiten the background and stuff on Facetune. And that's usually like all I do to edit. But I just like to make them look as crisp as possible, especially since my brand is Blink Basics, so it's all about, you know, basic essential pieces and just being nice, clean, crisp, neutral colors. So that's another tip, is that you really need to make your brand stand out in a certain way, and you need to be consistent with that with all of your pictures and your branding, your website, everything. There's a whole tractor in the back.
life about? Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues.
So the main things I really do is just like smooth out my skin and whiten the background. That's what really just makes it crisp, I feel like, and it just makes it look more professional and like it was taken on a better camera than an iPhone. So look, you can just see it just looks a little better with the whitened background. You gotta make sure you get all the parts. And here we have another picture, and the filter I like to use for my Instagram feed is this influencer on Facetune right here. Just like to do it a little bit. So here's another picture with this new top. I really hope it's not too loud out here, but I'll do a voiceover if it is. But sometimes I just like to smooth my armpit and stuff because I don't want it to look like hair. And then I'll just do my face a little bit. And I'm like a perfectionist, yo. If my like necklace is not turned the right way, gotta take that shit out. I'm really just keeping it real with you guys because I just feel like if you have a brand new, your picture's gotta be as top quality as possible, especially when you're like a one-woman team and you're doing it yourself. I just like for everything to be perfect. And then again, we're gonna wait in the background.
No, that's all.
No, it's okay.
My name's Jason and I clean case.
Nice to meet you.
That's nice. Just saying hi.
Hi.
Okay, I apologize.
It's okay, don't worry.
Okay.
So I'm just about to edit this TikTok. It's like behind the scenes, a day of filming with me, or a day, like a shoot day with me. So I have like all of these like little videos. I'm about to just chop them together and make a TikTok and a reel out of the same video. And then I also have a reel showing you how to wear this shirt in 2 different ways. So I'm about to edit that too. And I just like to have a lot of content to put, you know, throughout the week. I know my laptop's dirty, so I don't know if you can see, but this is how much of a rush I was in when I was getting content yesterday. I literally did my makeup and did not even attempt to blend this contour line. You can't see it in most of the pictures, but I'm either gonna have to blend it out on Facetune or something, or just scrap the picture. I just don't know how this happened. Okay, so I just left where I was working at, and I'm at my boyfriend's house right now, and we're about to go pick up this package because I ordered inventory like months ago, and I guess I wasn't there to sign off on it, so UPS dropped it off at this random ass supermarket. So we're about to drive there and go get it now. So update, I'm editing this TikTok, and we're eating pizza and watching the Kardashians. But yeah, I like hate TikTok. It's so hard for me to edit on it, but I'm getting used to it.
BTS, shoot with me for my brand. First we gotta unpack and hang inventory. Makeup time, all done woo. Now we gotta set up camera and tripod. It's a one-woman team around here with remote. Love this top. So versatile. Checking to make sure they're up to par. Edit. Some of the finished pics. Shot length.
Oh my god, I was like laying down, so ignore my hair. But it's like an hour later and I just finished this TikTok. Something I've been really trying to do for my business is get way more into TikTok because I know the power of TikTok. I feel like I was avoiding it for so long because it was like so new to me, but I feel like it's definitely one of the best marketing tools out there, and it's free advertising, which is so important. I'm one of those people who likes everything done before I wrap up for the day. Like if I don't, it gives me anxiety. But I'm trying to learn how to calm down and just do what I can in one day and then just wrap it up when I'm done. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to just stop. It's 7 o'clock. So, oh my god, why does it do this? You can't even see, but it's 7 o'clock. And I'm about to just wrap up for the day. I'm about to wrap this vlog up. And I'm about to do this launch. It's Wednesday. I'm about to launch these 2 pieces on Friday. So I will probably record my launch day so you guys know what I do then. Because then I'll be creating a lot of content. I'll be making the website banner, the email marketing, all of that. So that would probably be interesting for you guys to see. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want me to make a series like boss series or like something like that, I'll do that. Entrepreneurship type of series, because you know I'm still just starting out, so I feel like it would be good if we could all like grow together, if anyone else also has a business, or even if you don't. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.